what's this? Yeah, it's a house. And houses aren't always there. Somebody has to build them. So let's look today at the timeline of building a house, how it gets built from start to finish. So take a look at these pictures. Which one do you think goes first? It's the very first thing. Right, this picture of a lot where there's nothing there yet. Right, a lot is some space where a house can go. So it starts with a lot. What do you think comes after that? After there's just a lot, what happens? Right, then there's a big hole. Right, they have to dig a hole in the lot for the house to sit in. So it starts with the lot, and then they have to dig a hole. And to dig a hole, they might need an excavator. It's a very big hole. What do you think happens after they dig the hole? Right, they pour the foundation. The foundation is made of concrete. And there are special people who form the concrete. That's their job. So after there's a lot, and then they dig the hole, they pour the foundation. And what do you think happens next? Yeah, the house gets framed. So people come and they put the frame up and it makes the house kind of like a skeleton. So there's the lot, then they dig the hole, then they pour the foundation, and then the house gets framed. What do you think happens next? Right, they have to close off the outside of the house. Right, secure it. So they cover up the outside of the house, usually with some kind of thin wood. And then what do you think happens after that? Right. They're going to put lots of different important things in the house, like plumbing. So a plumber will come and hook up all the pipes for all the water in the house. And electrical. So an electrician will come and make sure there's wires for all the lights and appliances. And someone who works in HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, will come and make sure the house has heat and cooling and good airflow. So all those things go inside the house. What do you think happens next? Right, they put in the interior finishes. So they cover up the walls with drywall and they paint it and they put flooring and cabinets and all of the fixtures and appliances so the inside is all finished. And what else happens? There's one picture left. Right, they have to finish up the outside. So on the outside, there might be a bricklayer who's putting all the bricks on the outside, and roofers putting the shingles up on top, and people working in landscaping who add the grass and the plants to make it look nice. So this is the timeline of building a house from the very beginning, where it's just a lot, all the way to the house being finished. And wow, a lot of people are involved in that work. It takes a lot of people to build a house. Thanks so much for coming to learn with me all about the timeline of building a house. Can't wait to see you soon. Bye.